Hello, today we will guide you through how to execute limit orders in Axiom Pro. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to access the correct trading area and place a limit order using the right side trading panel. A limit order allows you to choose the exact price at which you want your order to be executed, rather than entering a trade immediately at the current market price. This can be helpful when you want more control over your entry. To begin, open Axiom and go to the So All Discover page. This is the starting point shown in the platform, and from here you can navigate to the trading tools you need. If your screen looks slightly different, that's normal, but the main navigation should still be visible near the top of the page. Once you're on the Discover page, look at the top menu and click on Perpetuals. This will take you into the Perpetuals trading section of Axiom Pro. Perpetuals are the area where you can manage these more advanced order types, including limit orders, so this is the section you'll need for the rest of the process. After the Perpetuals page loads, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. In that panel, click on Limit. This changes the order type from a standard market-style execution to a limit order setup. When Limit is selected, the form will allow you to define the price you want instead of simply taking the current available price. Next, enter a sample limit price into the price field. This is the key part of the order setup. The limit price tells the platform the exact price level where you want the order to be placed or filled. Be sure to type the number carefully, because even a small difference in price can affect whether the order executes right away, later, or not at all. If you're practicing, using a sample value is a good way to become comfortable with how the form works before placing a real trade. As you do this, take a moment to double check that you're in the Limit tab and that the price field contains the intended value. Accuracy is especially important when entering order details in a trading platform. That's the process for setting up a limit order in Axiom Pro. Open the So All Discover page, go to Perpetuals, select Limit in the right panel, and enter your limit price. Once you're familiar with these steps, placing limit orders becomes much faster and more intuitive.